Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to cancel an Odoo plan. This is especially useful if you're managing multiple tools and want to cut down on unnecessary subscriptions, or if you're simply testing Odoo and no longer need the service. If you're currently using either an Odoo free trial or a paid subscription, and you've decided you no longer want the service to renew, the good news is that the cancellation process is usually straightforward and can be handled directly from your Odoo account. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact path to find the subscription settings and complete the cancellation properly. This helps you avoid unexpected charges and gives you full control over your billing. To begin, sign into your Odoo account through the Odoo account portal. Make sure you're logging into the account that actually manages subscriptions, since some users may have access to the platform without having billing permissions. If you're using the wrong account, you may not see the subscription options you need. This step is important because many users have multiple logins, especially in team setups or agency environments, so always double-check before moving forward. Once you're signed in, open the My Account section. This is where Odoo stores your account details, plan information, and billing-related settings. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct area before moving on, especially if the dashboard has multiple menus or workspace options. This section is basically your control center for managing everything related to your subscription and account usage. Next, go to the Billing or Subscription section. Depending on your account type or the current layout of the portal, the wording may vary slightly, but you're looking for the area where your active plan and payment settings are listed. This section should show whether you're on a trial or a paid subscription, along with renewal details. It's also useful here to quickly review your billing cycle so you know exactly when changes will take effect. From there, select your active subscription. If you have more than one service or database linked to your account, be careful to choose the correct one. Opening the right subscription is important so you don't accidentally change the wrong plan. For example, some users may have separate subscriptions for different projects or environments, so accuracy really matters here. Now look for the option that says Cancel Subscription or Disable Auto Renewal. In some cases, Odoo may use one of these phrases instead of the other, but both are aimed at stopping future charges. If you're on a free trial, this may end the trial from renewing into a paid plan. If you're on a paid subscription, it usually means the service will continue until the end of the current billing cycle, but it won't renew after that. This is helpful because you still retain access until your paid period officially expires. Finally, confirm the cancellation when prompted. This confirmation step is important because it finalizes your request. After that, your subscription will generally remain active until the current billing period ends, so you should still have access during that time, unless the account states otherwise. It's always smart to double-check for any confirmation email or on-screen message so you know the process completed successfully. And that's it! Once you've completed these steps, your Odoo plan should be set to cancel correctly. It's always a good idea to review your account afterward to make sure the subscription status reflects the change. This final check ensures everything is updated properly and there are no unexpected renewals later on.